So Cass, I've got some good news for you.
Oh yeah, what's that?
Well, I know since you set up your shop, well, our buddy Matt, he's been hounding me for months to sell him this car.
Yeah.
So on the trip, he finally wore me down. I gave him a smoking deal because I don't really fit in it. So I sold him the Corvette. And then he asked me if I'd fix it. I said, no. I know who can though. 3 guesses.
Me?
Yes. So, I mean, this should be an easy one. I told him I'd get it out to you this week or early next week. I got to move a bunch of stuff, but
Well, it's in beautiful shape.
it is. I mean, basically the worst thing is just the front valence. They're like $500 and you can get them soft. You can get a fiberglass. Most guys put the fiberglass on because it's stiffer and it maintains its shape. When GM made them, they all went soft and mushy.
Yeah.
So, I mean, they all break as soon as you smack them.
Yeah.
Right? This one is just 50 years old. It finally just decomposed. But I mean, the upholstery's good. It's got the numbers matching motor. Brakes work. Well, I mean, Greg was driving it back and forth from Kamloops every day. So early next week, I'll try and get this out to you. Or I might give you a call and you can give me a hand moving some of this stuff around because I got the green Super B's coming back, the RT.
Yeah.
All the metal work's done on it now.
Nice.
Yes. So we got a Hemi getting built for it this winter. So I got stuff to do. And then I got 2 more cars I bought that I got to get in here somewhere. I don't know where. Anyway, I'm back. We'll get this out to you, get your shop set up, and we'll see about maybe, I know you asked about the bench and I was being a little bit of a dick, but I'm never going to put it back in my shop because all it does is attract stuff.
I know.
Any flat surface in my...
You took it out in the first place.
Yes.
You think about putting everything on it.
But I know you were thinking about a welding table. I mean, this thing's pretty skookum, right?
Yeah, that's
So,
exactly what I...
yeah, right. I mean, it's all 1/8-inch plate. You can weld on it. You can clean it. You can beat stuff on it. So I'll try and get, once I get the 41 moved and the VAT moved out, then I can fire up the skid steer. The race car is supposed to be going to Connor's place. So anyway, we'll see what we can do. Okay, so maybe the next couple of days I'll give you a ring. You can give me a hand getting some of this stuff moved out.
Yeah.
Winter's coming.
I know.
Okay.
A lot of work to do.
Okay. Thanks, Cass.
No problem. Thank
Nice shirt. Okay. Ciao. Hey guys, here we are. Looks like our buddies at SureWerx have come through with their sponsorship, and looks like a toolbox and a whole bunch of tools for the shop. Right on. Special shout out to SureWerx and Overland Express for delivering them. Right on. Well, anyway, might need to get the old scaling bar warmed up here. Good thing we have a tool of 1,000 uses. Here, wanna just film me? Just, yeah, what you see is what you get. This one's pretty light. We might just be able to slide it off. Yeah, it's not that light. There we go. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Hardly wait to get this inside and see what we got here. Hey guys, here we are. Parked right beside the #1 highway, Trans-Canada. It's supposed to be the swap meet. Why, you ask? Am I parked on the side of the highway? I'll tell you why. Because I, Michael Hall, am a complete moron. This morning I'm in a big rush. I'm out of fuel, so I put 5 gallons of diesel in my car instead of 5 gallons of gas. That's why we have unburnt fuel. I'm good. That's why we have unburnt fuel trailing all the way down the highway here. So just waiting for my buddy Dave from Twisted. Note to self, don't put diesel in a gas car. Anyway, note to self, stay focused. Note to self, yellow is diesel, red is gas. Anyway, oh look, here comes my knife. in shining armor, Dave Twisted. Yo, buddy. Thumbs up to Dave. Hey, where's your safety vest?
In the truck.
Me. Never done that before, Dave.
Well, it's always the first time for everything.
I know, just not a good time. Who's this?
Hey, how's it going?
Good.
Pleasure to meet you.
Good. I put diesel in my car this morning. Had a brain fart. Total brain fart. Grabbed a jerry can. It was yellow. Filled it up. Made it half a mile down the road. Why is there white smoke coming out of my car? Why is my car not running? And I got to take it back and drain the diesel out of it. Well, it was just pain in the ass. Anyway, thanks for stopping.
Hey, no
Are
worries,
you going to the swap meet?
Yeah.
Down the bottom of the hill and then turn back.
Okay.
This is wrong. Won't take you there.
Well, Google Maps.
I'll tell you about the 100th guy.
Oh my God. Okay. Do you need a handle?
No, we're good.
Okay.
Thanks, man.
Okay. Pretty cool watching your adventures, Mikey.
Oh, Dave was pretty wild. Yeah, and this is the best. This is my only real breakdown at 20,000 miles.
And it's at home.
Yeah, because I'm a moron.
Watch traffic.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna pick this up. I gotta watch traffic so I don't get run down. Okay. Looking good. So you keeping busy, Dave?
Insane.
Was that good? You making any money? Is the best.
Metal prices crashed.
Did it?
It is what it is.
These days, in the old days, I would have walked back to my place and grabbed my tow truck.
Not my metal one.
That's what Connor's telling me. I don't want another tow truck.
No.
No. Then people would be calling me instead of calling you, Dave.
I don't know people. You know that.
I know. That's right. Scrap, don't talk back.
Or have problems.
Yes. You ever done that, Dave? You ever put diesel in a gas motor?
I didn't remember.
Well, there you go. Me neither.
Try not to pinch any brake lines.
Yes. I appreciate that, Dave. Yeah, this thing ran like a top until I got it here.
Started messing and farting. Or...
Oh, then I looked, there's huge clouds of smoke behind me. The light went on and it died. Hey guys, just a little follow-up to the video of Mike being a moron, filling his car up with diesel. Anyway, Dave came, saved the day. We brought it back. Luckily, we siphoned all the fuel out, and by some fluke, there was some gas in it, so it wasn't total diesel. All we did was drain out all the fuel, fill it up with premium, ran the car for 5 minutes, it cleared up, and no harm, no foul. So like I said, note to self, yellow is diesel, red is gas. Don't put diesel in your gas cars.